Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing a detailed job on my 2000 Chevy Silverado. I'm thinking about posting it for sale. It hasn't been cleaned for quite some time, but I'm going to use some simple tools and some power tools to actually clean the inside of the truck, because like I said, I'm probably going to sell it. So here it is. All that grime and dirt. Like I said, some simple tools, vacuum. I also have a steamer that I'm gonna use that's not so simple, that I've already had. As you can see, dirt and grime all over. I'm gonna vacuum the seats, carpet, and then I'm gonna shampoo them. Base model truck, no power, manual windows, no cruise control, just, you know, base 2000 Chevy Silverado 4.8 liter, nothing special on this truck. So protectant, I like using this for the windows. I have this for the all-purpose cleaner, and I got this mixed with 10-to-1. I'll be using the drill and this for the carpets and the seats, and I also have this that I've had already to steam to help get those big tough stains out. Alright, so how do you guys like to do yours? Do you guys start off with vacuuming and then dash, or dash, vacuum, shampoo, shampoo, vacuum, or vice versa? How do you guys start yours off? I'm going to do mine right now. I'm going to vacuum, then we'll get to steaming, and then we'll shampoo here and here, and then I will most likely vacuum again. I end up taking this piece off here. I think it's like the plastic running board or plastic something that sits along the door. This piece right here. It's kind of bugging me out there, or you could still see dirt. So I'm going to vacuum this and then I'll put it back on. Alright, also going to pop this piece off to get into here. And this right here is what bugs me, because you got the carpet meeting the plastic, so when you vacuum you can still see this running along the plastic. So this is why I pulled this up, and then this piece right here I'll move just a little bit out of the way and I'll vacuum that in right there. This is pretty simple to take out. These clips here, pop. How I did it is I popped it up. Let me show you guys actually. So somewhere like this, and all I did is I pulled it up here and here. I have the seat all the way forward, so this piece right here will pop out first, and then I brought the seat back, and then just like that. Yeah, but this right here bugs me a lot. Does this also bug you, or do you guys just skip on with this? Especially this. I mean, I could probably pull this piece out, but not need to. I'll just vacuum in right here. You can kind of see where it rides in here. Alright, so I am taking this off right here. T15 star bit. One of these simple little tools right here. Already got these two loose here. And don't forget, there's one right here. Right hand side. Alright, that's removed here. Like I said, this right here was bugging me. There's some, you can see dirt in here. But 3 star bits, T15, just to take this little piece off right here. And I'm not gonna take it fully off. I'll just turn it here to here and get around it. Alright, here's the back. Some of the front. A little more better than it was. And do you guys ever vacuum this? So it's already vacuumed out. We'll hit the pressure steamer on it just to get it in there, to clean it up a little bit. Other than that, I gotta go turn on that steamer and let it warm up. Also have this little paintbrush right here just to agitate it, just to work it in. I'm at the point of shampooing it. I've already shampooed underneath this piece and this piece right here where the shampooer is sitting at, just because it's more harder to get into. So now I'm going to start here and here, and then I'll do this bottom carpet piece right here. nice and done right here. Seat's all done. Time for the best part, the protectant. Kind of get a dual matte finish on all this. But this is all in too. Nice and clean. Smells a lot better in here also. It had like almost like a feet, dirty, wet dog smell in here. Not too much, but when you sit in here, you can kind of smell something doggish, slight smell. So, anyways. Alright, finished. Let's see how it looks. Alright guys, all for the main